This is the OVL SkyTee 2 Alt-Azimuth mount, which you can actually install on it up to 3 telescopes. One here on one arm, the smaller one on the top arm. And if you don't use this counterweight, you can use, I have an ADM, another ADM clamp. You can use either small or bigger, the same size as that, or Newtonian or refractor. So practically you can put 3 telescopes on this mount. And at the moment, as you can see, I have 2 on this. And because tonight will be clear, hopefully, as you can see, the sky is blue. So we can actually see, I'm going to observe the planet Jupiter and Saturn, of course. These are the refractors. This is the refractor Skywatcher ED120 DS Pro, and this is also Skywatcher Evostar 72 ED. Both of them have shot glass in them. This is the famous brand of the Apochromatic glass that they use fluorite in the glass, and that makes it really good for, you know, aberration free, no chromatic aberration or anything. So I'm looking forward to use this and observe the planet Jupiter and Saturn and see what we can see, you know, maybe some deep sky object, because this is really wide angle. I really enjoy this. And this is also a Skywatcher 28mm multi-coated eyepiece, which I will be using. I used it to adjust this viewfinder, and I like the way that it is, because I don't want those look through ones. I like this one, which are right angled ones. So looking forward to that. And I have adjusted this and the finder and this telescope, all they are now aligned in the same direction. They're parallel to each other in every way. So that means that you can observe the same object in this, find it in the finder scope, of course, observe it in this and observe it in that. Or if I want, I can observe something else with that. I have to just change the direction of that. Be independent. There are screws here, you can actually make it independent. And unlike other mounts, like I don't know, Rowan AZ75, this mount has slow motion control, which is a bonus. Anything with this slow motion control in this range, mechanical range, will be around more than 1,000 pounds. So you can have this for around 200-300 pounds maximum. Really good value, and China has made it really good value. I think this is one of the best mounts everybody can buy. Alt-Azimuth mount. Of course, you can add something to make it, you know, go to. You can add those kind of AZ go to sync from Skywatcher has it. You can just adjust that. But I don't need that. The convenience of using the Alt-Azimuth is the reason I'm going for this. Alt-Azimuth mounts are really easy to set up, easy to look at the objects without, you know, hassle.